Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today we're going to explore the combustibility of Lycopodium. Check it out. So all I'm using in this lab is a petri dish, Lycopodium, an oil lamp, a funnel that's hooked up to a plastic hose, and a ring stand. In and of itself, Lycopodium is not flammable. If I hold a flame up to it, absolutely nothing happens. But check out what happens if I add a little bit of Lycopodium into my tube and I blow on it over the lit oil lamp. Watch what happens. Amazing! How did that catch on fire? So remember, fire needs three things for combustion. It needs, obviously, fuel, oxygen, and heat. So when I tried to ignite the Lycopodium in the petri dish, it just had such a low surface area that not enough oxygen could get around those spores to combust them. But when I blew through the tube, that increased the surface area and the oxygen necessary for combustion. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.